Tailor Tribe, listen, I'm super excited about this video. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm turned to the max. I can't wait for you to see it. But before we get into that, you already know I gotta challenge you to like this video before you even watch it. Yo, stay tuned, keep it live, let's get into it. We got a banger on our hands. Yo, Tailor Tribe, wait. If you rocking with me, and I already know you rocking with me, drop the train emoji in the comment section if you're on board with the Tailor Tribe and our mission to 100K. Listen, it's something real quick I want to talk about that I should have known. I didn't know this. A lot of you have been bringing to my attention that you haven't been getting notified when I drop these bangers. And you're upset. You like, yo, Terrell, I wanted to be the first in the comment section. I didn't even know you dropped the banger. Look, I found out you got to turn that bell on. Hit that bell. You're going to get all of the notifications. You'll be the first one to leave first comment. You know, everybody want to leave first comment. How come the front of your hair is looser than all of your other hair? Front of the hair gives you so many questions why. Like, why is the front of my hair looser than all of the other parts of your hair? You do a lot on the sides of your hair and you do a lot on the back of your head as well. First of all, we all sleep on the side of our hair, whether it's the left or the right side. You toss it and turn it at night. You usually land on your back and you land on the back of your hair as well. So your back of your head is getting smashed in, it's getting matted. The side of your hair is getting matted as well. It's stopping the hair growth a little bit as well. So it's easier to maintain the front of your hair. You always ask, yo, how come the front of my hair is more curly than everything else? How can my hair be more looser in the front than it is in the side? The front of my hair is growing, but the back of my hair is not growing. The sides of my hair is not growing. What's going on? Why is that, TerrellTailored? And a lot of you have been asking me that as well. It could be it's looser and it's not curling and it's super straight, or it could be looser and curlier and more defined in the back and the sides of your hair. Let's talk about the looser and more curly on one side. How do you get your curls to hang in the front, and how do you get it swooped in the front and the sides right here? Sometimes I just take this side and I swoop it behind my ear. Look, this is a huge thing for me. I used to couldn't swoop my hair behind my ear, but I'm super excited about that. Anyway, the reason why your hair is a lot looser in the front is because of heat damage. What is the first thing you do? You mess with the front of your hair. Now, whether you blow dry it, you use a curling iron, or different things like that. Let's say this. Let's say you don't even use a blow dryer, curling iron, or anything like that. A heat damage could actually come from the sun. That's correct. We're outside a lot. Listen, a lot of us get heat damage during the summertime and you don't even know it. All summer 19, I'm gonna be talking about hair protection. You have to protect your hair. You know, you can't do the same things that you was doing in the wintertime that you're doing in the summertime. No, the sun, just like you, think about it. You can get a sunburn, so what makes you think your hair cannot get heat damage? Think about it. That's why they have heat protected. You have to protect your hair from the heat as well, from the sun. Just like if you staying outside all day, super long, you'll come back the next day like, yo, I got a tan. What do you think that's doing to your hair? That's doing the same thing to your hair. Some of you have heat damage from the sun. You know, you might work outside, you might play outside, you might do activities outside all day long without wrapping your hair up. That's why I have a Tailor band. Use a Tailor band, you can wrap your hair up. Use a do-rag, wrap your hair up. Just a scarf, whatever, a hat, whatever. Wear a hat if you got a snapback. A lot of videos you see me wearing a snapback because not only I wear a snapback for protecting my hair with twist outs or braid outs, I also use that in the summertime to protect my hair from sun damage as well. So you have to have some type of protectant and some type of covering for your hair. Now, how do you get the sides of your hair and the back of your hair to be more curly and just as curly as the front of your hair? You actually have to continually do twist outs and coils, finger coiling. I haven't done a finger coiling video. Let me know if you want me to do a finger coil video. That'd be nice. That'd be dope as well. I haven't done a finger coiling video. Finger coiling is a great curling method. That's something that's gonna actually get your hair the most defined. More defined than the twist out, more defined than the braid out is finger coiling. Listen, use finger coiling. Finger coiling is, now your hair is gonna be shrinking up, but it's gonna be super defined. That's one thing with my hair is super defined as well. Finger coiling, I did the finger coils in the back. Sometimes I might finger coil the back just to get a lot of definition, and then I'll do a twist out in the front. So sometimes I might use 3 different methods at one time just to get my hair curl in different spots. So let's say I do a twist out on the sides, finger coil in the back, and a braid out at the top and the bottom. That's how I get super defined curls as well. And that's one way you can actually get your hair from the side and the back to go to being a looser curl pattern or more defined. That's why your hair is actually looser in the front than it is in the sides and the back. It's because of heat damage as well. Now, it's always good to cut off the heat damage. Now you say, yo, my hair is super straight and looser in the front, but it's not curly. Here's the flip side of that. you have to keep training your curls. You can do that. Now, push come to shove, always get an even Stevens, cut out the heat damage. A lot of you don't want to cut out your heat damage, which is crazy. Everybody can see you have heat damage. Everybody can see that this spot is super looser. Then this spot is more defined. This spot is more defined, but this side is actually looser than everything else. Cut out the heat damage. There's nothing wrong with cutting out the heat damage. If you have a lot, you might have to start over. But if you just have a couple strands of your hair, look, go get it professionally done, cut it out. If you want to do it yourself, you can, but go get it professionally done if you're able to get it professionally done and cut out the heat damage. You don't have to cut out a lot. Some you might just have to snip your ends. Really, it all comes down to hair maintenance. It all comes down to hair maintenance. If you're not doing hair maintenance, you're not maintaining your hair, you're not dedicated to this natural journey, meaning clipping your split ends, watching heat damage, using certain products, protecting your hair, keeping your hair wrapped up. Like, if you want to grow your hair, you want to get curlier hair, or you have a certain goal that you want to do with your hair, you got to be dedicated to doing these different things to actually maintain your hair. Look, it's all about hair maintenance. There's a such thing as hair maintenance. You got to be dedicated to it. Now, if you're just growing out freeform lots, or you're just growing out your hair just for fun, you don't have to do nothing to it. Just wash it and just go. You know, different things like that. Hey, speaking of wash and go, drop the wave emoji if you want me to drop a wash and go video. All right, Tailor Trial, so hope this was able to assist you in your natural journey. Whether you're looking to get curlier hair or longer hair, whatever the case may be, yo, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at TerrellTailored. And Tailor Trial, remember, it's never too late to tailor your life if you want to see it. My name is TerrellTailored. Can't wait to see you next time.